Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have Sharepoint admin rights and an appropriate license so the site can be provisioned. Create a new site. Pick communication for broad publishing or team for collaboration. This choice determines layout and permissions. Once done, name the site, set the URL, and allocate storage quota so you don't hit limits. Make sure to set primary owners and basic metadata now, because it saves rework later when you add pages and documents. You build the structure by creating the home page and key subpages, then configure global and local navigation so users find content quickly. Add web parts like text, image, document library, and news. Each web part controls how people access information. Once pages are scaffolded, set site columns and content types to enforce metadata and improve search. Make sure to test library views and page responsiveness on mobile, because layout issues often. You finalize by configuring groups and granular permissions, assigning owners and members to minimize access risk, set external sharing policies if needed. Publish pages, set alerts for key libraries, and add simple Power Automate flows for approvals or notifications to streamline processes. Once published, test access from a non-admin account, check mobile responsiveness, and run a quick permissions audit. If users report missing content, recheck permissions first. Most issues stem from broken inheritance or group misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.